In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. This is a nifty trick that can make your designs stand out, and it's surprisingly easy to do. Whether you're creating content for social media, designing a flyer, or just want to experiment with color schemes, inverting colors can add that extra bit of flair. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effect using Canva. First, you want to have your design open in Canva. Find the image you want to manipulate with the inverted colors effect. Clicking on the image is our starting point. It's crucial to ensure that this is the correct image you want to work with, as this will guide our subsequent steps. Once the image is selected, you'll notice that a toolbar appears on top of the design space. This toolbar is packed with a variety of options you can use to modify your image. Next, you'll want to look for the Edit option on this toolbar. Clicking Edit is your gateway to a plethora of editing tools that Canva provides. This easy access is what makes Canva such a powerful tool for designers, both amateur and professional alike. Once you click Edit, a new panel will appear, usually on the left side of your screen, filled with options specifically tailored for image editing. Within this panel, you'll see an option labeled Duotone. The duotone filter is our secret ingredient for inverting colors. Essentially, it allows you to recolor an image using just two colors, hence the name duotone. By selecting different duotone combinations, you can invert the original colors of your image, giving it an entirely new look and feel. It's incredibly versatile and opens up a world of possibilities for creative expression. Now comes the fun part, experimenting with colors. Once you've clicked on duotone, you'll be presented with several preset color combinations. Don't be shy here, explore these different settings to see what appeals to you. Selecting the right combination will effectively invert the colors you started with. Remember, you can always tweak and adjust the colors to get them just right, so feel free to play around until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully inverted the colors in Canva. This technique is sure to add a unique touch to your designs, making them more vibrant and eye-catching. Remember to save your design frequently, and if you're ever unsure about a step, you can replay this video as many times as you need. Happy designing!